How you doing, everybody, and welcome back. The markets right now are nasty, to say the least. You see crypto, stocks, DeFi, whatever you look at is bloody red on the streets. Bear market, welcome back. So obviously, a lot of people, in a way, are probably concerned, asking questions. Well, that is exactly why I'm making this video, because I want to know what is the truth behind crypto.com price right now. Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? And one of the things that you have to know is definitely crypto.com was moving very closely and correlated to Bitcoin price. And if you didn't know, Bitcoin price moves really according to what NASDAQ does, the technology sector, right? So if you didn't know, earlier today, NASDAQ opened at 11,990 something points. That is the lowest it's been since 2020, 2019. So we're seeing unprecedented prices right now that it's really difficult to really manage and chew. Not really looking super happy and prosperous for upcoming months in Q2 2022. So the question is, are we going to continue this bear market? And chances are we might. So what is the best strategy for Bitcoin and obviously for crypto.com? Well, that's what I'm going to be answering in this video. So stick around. There's a lot of info here, technical, but I love it because at the end of the day, whether you're holding long term or trading, you still can make money. In my opinion, holding long term, these are the prices that you really want to look at. And if you're looking trading, well, guess what? You're seeing right now on the screen at the 15-minute chart, all those price dumps and pumps, that's where people make the most money. So go ahead and sit down, relax, everybody. Like the video if you enjoy the content, subscribe to the channel, and of course, happy to have you back. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with digesting what's happening with the price of crypto.com. Definitely, that support orange line, horizontal, 26 cents. What does that tell me? That, my friends, is the lowest we've been since 2022, right? All 2022, in the last 4+ months, 26 cents. And that was because of what caused it 2 weeks ago, a week and a half ago, when crypto.com decided to slash car rewards and everything that we've covered that already. Well, things have changed and now things are a little bit better, but still we're very close. Really, I'm going to go ahead and bring my price range from the price right now. We are just 4 to 5% away from it. You and I know at the pace that Bitcoin is going right now. Let me go ahead and show it to you right now. It's a lot of here knowledge and technical. You see how it dropped from 40,000 to around 35,000. What does that tell me? That right now, if NASDAQ keeps going down and dropping because of all the interest rates that are seen right now, huge, and the supply and the inflation, Bitcoin could easily go down and lower to 30,000. And that is some of the prices that I have right here on my Fibonacci retracement. What will that imply? Well, that implies that crypto.com Crocon can go much lower than 26 cents. And that will put us very close. I'm going to go ahead and go down. If indeed we go lower, that could mean a 100% retracement from 97 cents to 20 cents. 20 cents, 19 cents, crypto.com. That will be, I'm going to go ahead and change this to the 4 hours so everybody can see it. There it is. So here, this is October 26th when crypto.com exploded at 19 cents. And this is going to be crypto.com if indeed the bear market slashes everything. Now, I'm not the only one saying that we're in a bear market. Definitely. Go ahead and show you here. Benjamin Cohen, which is a stud when it comes to technical analysis. I follow him a lot. I highly recommend his videos. Really technical into the cryptoverse. Really happy to be sharing this info with you. Now, he's saying for a while, friends, don't let friends buy alts during bear markets. Of course, his opinions are his own. I just like the way he thinks, and Bitcoin is currently in a bear market, and bear market will not end until the last Bitcoin bull admits it's a bear market, right? So there's a lot of sentiment right now in a bear market, and we're seeing it. We're seeing it thus far. Crypto right now in the global space, 1.66. Guys, I'm seeing Bitcoin and the global market less than 2 trillion for a long time. And with everything that's happening right now with the Fed adding and increasing this interest, and it's not going to end in 2022, we're going to continue seeing those increments, right? And hopefully that's going to be easing the inflation, but we have to wait for the reports to come. So Bitcoin and stocks rally again. That's what's happening. Let me show you this. NASDAQ, I'm going to go ahead and show you the 1 day. Here it is. 11,000. That is so low. I'm going to go ahead and do the 5 years right now. This is what's happening. So this is 2020, December, right here. We were at 12,000. So all the gains had been squandered, squashed, just because of all the things that now we're bringing the money supply out. We're taking the money out from the economy because the main issue that is eating everybody in the United States is, of course, inflation. When it comes to DeFi, because I've said it at the very beginning, Cronos, we were super close to 5 billion. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down for you. 2.9 billion according to DeFi Llama, which is not 100% accurate, but I can show you that around 75 to 80% accurate. So we're now much lower, right? This can change, but we were close to 5 billion. Now we're under 3 billion according to DeFi Llama. Not really good news when it comes to this, because we are seeing the price of everything down, super down. MMF, BBS, Tectonic, that is what's happening from the 0% retracement to the 78 to almost 100% retracement. BBS is done. I mean, it's not done the project, but the price is just not growing up, and the Tectonic price is also super down. So MMF is the only one that hasn't really crashed completely, almost to 100%, right? So all in all, on this one, for me to tell you that we may be seeing even more difficult prices to see in the short term right now for long-term holders, because of course you're probably bought months ago, now you're seeing all your profits gone. And usually what people don't are more inclined to do is just sell and stop seeing those red numbers. In my case, I never sell because this is a long-term opportunity for me. I can dollar cost average or just start trading portfolios to make more active engagements with the market. Take a look at this. We had a nice bull run here at the beginning of 2021, and then it ended right at the end of 2021, and then all 2022 has just been super down. Well, right now, Bitcoin in the rainbow price chart is at an accumulate level. It's still not at a buy, but for a long time, it was at a still cheap. For a long time, I remember that. So we are heading in a way to the buy level. If we do get to the buy level and we check the sentiment analysis, and if it still says extreme fear, what does that mean, everybody? That Bitcoin is probably heading into that bear market even lower. That will put us at 30 or less than $30,000. Right now, from 30,000, everybody, the next level to beat will be 34,000. The next level to beat will be 33,000, because this is 2022. This is 2022. And the ultimate level for Bitcoin to reach, that will be 29,000. Let me tell you something. If in this market we see 29,000 Bitcoin, at that point, it's time for us to day trade. And I'm going to be day trading because we don't really know how low crypto can go. We don't really know how low crypto can go. These are some of the measurements from the past. But if we pass that all-time low on Bitcoin in the last 2 years, definitely the floor is open for more crashes to come. Does not mean that the projects are over, because we know crypto is the future and we're believing in it and we're investing in it. How does that translate to answer the question, what is the truth of crypto.com price? Well, 27 to 28 to 26 cents. It's probably going to be broken if definitely Bitcoin goes lower. The crash stopped when the changes of the rates and everything, were improved. The crash in the last 3 days stopped, and we saw it coming up all the way up, crashing no more. But now with all the things that have changed with the reports, with the interest rates, definitely now it's bringing the prices even lower. Well, everybody, this is exactly the reality of crypto.com right now. We're seeing in this level. So we were at this 50 to 68. Now we are in the 62 to 78 and heading lower. So what does that mean, everybody? It means that I highly suggest what I'm doing right now, which is crypto trading in the 5-minute RSI, buying when it's below the 30 on the RSI level, selling when it's on the 70%, on the 70-point level, because that guarantees you at least some nice profits as we go down or as we go up. It's the reality of crypto investing. Don't miss it, everybody. Go ahead and smash the like button. Thank you very much for watching. That's my update for crypto.com. So far holding, no panic. Peace.